Now fans of Dogman, the half-dog, half-cop character from the Captain Underpants book series, have some help in learning how to draw him. His simple shapes make him perfect for those that are just starting out. Hi, my name's Kathy, and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. Here are the only supplies you need to make this drawing: drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and some crayons. You can also find a link to a step-by-step tutorial in the description below. And if you've been here before, you'll know I always like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper. They really help me see where to place my drawing. The first step is to plan for the size of Dogman's head. It's going to be this tall, and his nose will be about this long. When those marks are in place, then put your pencil on one like I'm doing here and draw a large curve for the top of Dogman's head. Continue down and then extend to the right and up again to form his long nose. Next come his two eyes, which are very tall and skinny ovals near the top of his head. Let's add a simple smile now, one that goes across almost the full width of his head. He needs a circle nose and then a few circles underneath for spots. His ears are on the left side of his head, just two simple shapes like this. Now we can start his shirt under his head with 3 straight lines. And that shirt gets a tulip added inside and about 4 stitch lines above that. Okay, on to the arms. The right one begins with 2 bent lines, and you need about 4 kind of overlapping oval shapes for his paw. The arm on the left is drawn the same way, 2 bent lines and then about 4 overlapping ovals again. The right leg now is just 2 straight lines with a round oval shoe at the end. The left leg is the same, 2 straight lines and another shoe. Finally, the hat on top of Dogman's head is made up of 3 lines with a little brim shape on the right side. He also needs a tulip shape added on his hat. All right, the pencil drawing is done, so it's time to trace those lines with a black marker. I'm going to use an extra fat one, but you can use any one that you have. When the tracing is done, it's always good to take a moment to erase any pencil lines that you see. It's time for coloring now. Dogman's shirt and hat need to be a light blue color. His fur and those tulip shapes are usually a kind of medium brown. Oh, and a marker works best to fill in that nose to make it really black. I'm going to use a darker blue for his pants, kind of a blue jean color. And a little darker brown for his shoes. So that is how easy it is to draw a Dogman. You know, simple cartoon characters like this are always a good project for young artists, as they're easy to do and then so fun to recognize when you're all done. If you visit my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more cartoon projects, including one for how to draw a Minion and Pikachu. I'm happy to say that over the years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. I'm so happy you joined me today, and if you are watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. That way you'll get notified as soon as I post a new video.